Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add the contact in the Samsung A71. To do this operation, you have a few ways to add your new contacts. The first way is to go to the recent and just apply tap the number, click on I option and add, as I create the new contacts here. Save it to phone, set as default for now. Contact gonna be this is the name of your contacts, and just save it. Voila. The second way to write your contact is go to your contact and just tap the plus logo. Yeah, this is the same way. And of course you can write the number directly in your phone and tap option add the contacts, like we do before. So this is the true way, and I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.